Well, good morning, resetters. It is Sunday, the day before we start our master cleanse. Actually, the day we do start our master cleanse, because first step of it tonight is to drink your laxative tea. Now, I've had a couple questions show up from our members, and one of them pointed out that a lot of people aren't viewing this on laptops or computers. They're viewing it on their phone, and Facebook behaves very differently on a phone than it does for laptops and computers, and accessing the stuff in the Files tab is not easy, nor is it basically large enough to read. So I'm going to answer a few questions that I got. One, what is the recipe for the lemonade? If you read the original book, it's made by The Glass. However, our group's founder, Terry Givens, was kind enough to do the math and put together a recipe for a batch that'll last most people all day. In fact, it'll probably last most people 2 days. Here's the recipe for those that asked. 100 ounces of distilled water, 10 ounces of the best maple syrup you can get, 10 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Hope that answers everybody's questions. Go ahead and make it up. Now, here's an FAQ and a bit of a pro tip for you. You do not have to drink all of the lemonade every day or any day. You drink it as needed. Another thing is that the cayenne, say you make the lemonade at like 7 o'clock in the morning. Well, by 7 o'clock at night, the cayenne has bloomed. It's become exponentially hotter. Now, for me, that's not a problem. I like hot stuff. But for people that are a little more sensitive to the heat in their food, the way to get around that is not add the cayenne when you make the rest of the lemonade. Instead, proportion it, down to like 1/8 of a teaspoon or whatever, even less than that, by the glass as you drink it. That way it doesn't bloom, doesn't scorch your palate, but the cayenne does serve a useful purpose, so you do want to have it. If you read the book, what it's doing is, in your body there is mucus. That's not just your sinuses, it's all over the place in your body. It serves a very important function. The cayenne, wherever it is in your body, helps loosen that up and free up toxins and get them out of you. So don't skip the cayenne, but if you're sensitive to it, mix it in as you drink it instead of letting it bloom all day. Let me know if you have any more questions on that in the comments below. Thanks.